stand up tall. We are brave, we can do it all.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our lovely classroom. I hope you're ready for a wonderful day of learning and fun. Today, we are going to learn all about the magic of our feelings.
Today, we are going on a special journey to find our magic feelings.
Peekaboo! When we are happy, we wear a big smile. Can you smile with me? Sometimes we feel a little sad, and that's okay. A big hug makes it better.
Let's take a deep breath together. Smell the flower and blow out the candle. When we feel like a grumpy volcano, we stop and count to 4. Even when we are scared, we can be brave. You are a hero.
Oh my goodness! What a wonderful surprise!
The most magical feeling of all is love. I love you all so much. Sometimes our bodies feel tired and need a little rest. My tummy is rumbling. Is it time for a healthy snack?
It's fun to be silly sometimes. Can you make a funny face too? Ooh, that was a little scary. But I am safe, and you are safe too.
Let me use my thinking cap.
Do you have a great idea too?
Helping others makes our hearts happy. Who can we help today?
It's okay to feel a little shy. Just take your time and be you. Look at what you did! I am so proud of you for trying your best! Yay! This is so much fun! Are you excited too?
We learned so many feelings today. I'm so proud of you. See you next time. Bye-bye.
When we get a toy, we jump and we smile. But if we lose a ball, we might feel sad. When things go wrong, we feel like a volcano.
Take a deep breath, slow and deep. When the lights go out, we might feel scared.
Put your hands on your hips, we are brave. Make a silly face, wiggle your nose. Surprise! Oh, how happy we can be. Love is the best feeling we know. Spreading kindness all across the land.
We sang, we learned, we had some fun. Hooray, hooray, well done everyone.
If you liked our song today, tap the like and smile my way. Subscribe, subscribe, and come back soon. We'll sing again a happy tune.